Hello, people of the world. Hi, how are you? It's been so long. Not really, it's been a week, but I know you miss me. Anyways, I'm gonna be creating this yellow look today. So if you wanna learn how to create this look, keep watching. So let's start off with the eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D Dagger eyeliner, liquid liner. The reason why I like this liner, it's because it has a flat tip, which makes it easy to apply. So what I'm gonna do first is do my regular lining on my lid. Okay, so first I like to do a line so I direct where my eyeliner is going. So I already did that, and then I use the tip of the liner and just drag it all the way to my inner corner. It is actually easier and you tend to make mistakes less if you do it in one stroke than in many tiny strokes. So remember, one stroke only, or at least try. I mean, you know. Alright, so I have my line, and now what I'm gonna do is do the line that goes on the upper side of the lid. So what you're gonna do when you do this on yourself, you're gonna look straight into the mirror with your eyes not looking down, not looking like this, but straight, looking straight to yourself into the mirror. And like that, you are going to draw the line where you can see it, and trying to copy the same trace that you did on this one.
I'm sorry if my freaking mirror is showing this corner right here, but you need to have a mirror.
And you gotta be really focused because this can go wrong real fast. So I'm just warning y'all, but let's do it. Okay, so I would think that this is a pretty good outline. So now that I have my line where I want it to be, I'm gonna stylize it. You know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna try to make it look nice. Okay, yes. All right, so now here's the fun part. Remember that I told you, if you're not good with the tracing, you can always be good at fixing it. So I have my angled brush, and I'm gonna dip it on my makeup remover just a bit. And I'm gonna fix what I don't like. Cute. And now I'm just gonna clean inside to remove the black. Okay, what do you guys think?
You know what? I think this look only looks good for photo shoots, to be honest with you, because I can't stop looking at my freaking lid when it moves and the line goes this must be very distracting when you're talking to someone with this makeup, right?
Alright, so now guess what's next? Yes, you're damn right. We're filling it in with the yellow. Well, you can do any color that you want, but anyways, I'm using this flat brush. You can see that the tip is very defined. We need precision because we don't want to go into the black because then it's gonna turn like an ugly color, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna take my yellow. I'm using again the Ace Beauty palette. I got this actually in Mexico. It's in a store called Nuestro Secreto. Nuestro Secreto. And I love it. And it's very high pigmented, and it has the rainbow colors, which I love. So this one I drop it the other day while filming, but I have it somewhere here, so don't worry about that, okay? So let's fill it in. So I have this, and then I go here. Yes, mama. For this one, I allow you to do this because it helps you now that you have your layout. So do this. All right, there you go. Yes, queen. Oh my God. You know what I love about this makeup? It's that it makes me feel fabulous. Like, you have no idea, like crazy fabulous. Like, yes, who is she? Where is the body? Bitch, she's not the body. Where is the face? Bitch, she's the face. No, but seriously, it makes me feel like a natural woman. Imagine if this makes me feel like a freaking natural woman, what makes me feel like a fake woman? Oh my God. Okay, anyways, I'm doing now the lining that goes under the eye, and I'm using this NYX liners in white and black. We're gonna do the waterline with the white. What this usually do is opens the eye, so it makes like an illusion that your eyes are bigger. All right, so now we're gonna do the black under the eye. If you have stuff where you don't want it, you can always remove it. I'm just saying, that's what I do. And now, to finish the lining situation right here, I am going to take my dagger liner once again and do this line, okay? So how I do it is I just go into the corner of my eye and drag it. There you go, yes, oh my God, I live. What's next? A big part of this look, it's the false lashes. Can you guess how many I'm wearing right now? None, but do you know how many I'm gonna put on right now? Yes, I'm wearing 2 pairs on the top and 1 on the lower lash line. Sometimes I don't know how to speak, I'm so sorry. And so I will put on my false lashes, my lipstick, and my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I'm all done. Take a look. Oh my God, yes. What do you guys think? I hope you love it, because I love it. And thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoy my craziness and you like my makeup, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media, which I'm gonna leave right here. And yeah, so I make all my polls through my social media for my next look, next video. So remember, now that I told you that I'm doing the rainbow, what color do you want me to do next? Leave it in the comments, please. All right, so thanks again. I love you guys.